Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your sparkling plugs of your Suzuki GS500 motorcycle. You have two of them, one on the right, one on the left side. To get on it, remove the ignition coils, then use a nut, an 18mm nut, to remove the sparkling plug. Easy. If it's really hard to remove, rotate right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, until you can continue removing the plug easily. Here you can see it's really easy to get them out of the host. Left rotation means get out the sparkling plug, and then you have to look. If it's brown, this is a good sparkling plug. If it is black, it's not so good. And if it's white, it's not so good too. That means anything in your engine is not still working proper. But this is brown, this is okay. The area between the sparkling plug and the diode is 0.8 up to 0.9 millimeters. If it's more, then you can bend a little bit the bottom side of your sparkling plug, and that will fix some problems. Yeah. So let's get back and get this sparkling plugs back in position. You can use Andy X24 EPR U9 sparkling plugs or NGK DPR 8 EA9 sparkling plugs to get that back in, and your engine will work properly after this change. So first step is use your hands to tighten it. After this, use a torque wrench. The torque wrench or the torque is 30 Newton meters, and this is enough. This is really enough for your aluminium host there, 30 Newton meters. Then, job's done. Continue this on the opposite side. You have only two plugs. Then take back the ignition coil into position and have fun out there. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Nice vehicle, as you can see. Suzuki GS500. Wow. So soon.